Hi, this is Chris from Trailboss Plus, and today we have a 2007 Jeep Wrangler Sports, stock reference number 5019. The shape runs from the 10th month 1996 through to the 2nd month 2007. It has a 4 litre 6-cylinder inline petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-drive transmission. 4 litre 6-cylinder inline petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left indicator, left front, 15 inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. It has an external roll cage with roof rack basket. Left door appears to have no damage. Left side step, sold to pair with all bolts and brackets. Left rear, 15 inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, tidy bumper. Trailboss tow bar with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. 15 inch spare wheel, alloy mag with a good tyre, soft top roof with all fittings, right hand tail light, right rear 15 inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right side step sold to the pair with all bolts and brackets, right door has one small dent, right power door mirror and a right front 15 inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. This vehicle has manual window winders, black and grey cloth interior, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Trailboss Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.